Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I just wanted to film a quick little flip through of my Harry Potter wizard inspired planner. This is a Lush, I think it's a Black Beauty with black stitching, black elastic, a little fox and pip gold embossed bow, and I just love it. This is a little charm I got off of Amazon. If I remember, I will link down below. It was a necklace, but I just thought it was so pretty to pop on there. Sorry I didn't do a setup video of this, but I think for my next TN kit I will do a setup video. So a lot of the stuff in here is from the Wizard Planning Wizard TN kit that we did in our shop, but there's a lot of other little bits in here as well. So if I go over to here, I have some little die cuts from that, and the acetate is from Hobby Lobby. The little clip is from Co XOXO. This I got from a shop. I wouldn't recommend it because it's not like the best, but you could look up like Hogwarts ticket foiled on Etsy. And then Jessica gifted me this felt scarf bow from an Etsy shop. Again, I don't know where it is, but I'll try and link it down below. And then this is a little planner that Jasenia drew, and she just added my name on it and sent it to me. Then I have a bunch of stuff. If I don't say where something is, it's most likely like if I don't say it's like from somewhere else, it's from the kit. This is from Elaine from Coffee Doodles. She sent me a little Andrea in gold foil. Then I did foil the acetate that came with the kit with gold, and then I just have some die cuts all around here, and I just glued that on there. All of the inserts in here are so much crafting inserts. I did put this bookmark that Jasenia also made from her drawings in here that has a little pocket, which I thought was really cute. I did put this always quote in here that I got on Etsy. If you look up always foiled quote, I'm sure you can find it. There's the vinyl die cut sticker. I did put a little Clever Gal Crafts bow sticker on this piece of vellum, which is super cute. This vellum, I believe, is from Michaels. And then if we flip, there is another one of those Co XOXO clips. This is the bigger one. And then I also have a little Marauders map, and this was a card from, I think it's called like Very Cool Cards or something. And I also have some acetate in here. Again, I think this is from, I want to say this one was from Michaels. This insert is from 1407 Planners. And then I also put in this, which is Brave, and that is again from Jasenia. This is from Elaine Coffee Doodles. And then this was in the kit, and then here is a little bow. I think this is from Two Little Bow Babies on Etsy. And then on the back, I have another one of those Gryffindor crests, and again, this is from Coffee Doodles. And then I have some Fox and Pip sticker sheets. This is actually, I think, a bookmark. And then this sticker sheet from her in here. And then I also have a Viv Loves to Plan collab with Simply Watercolor Co. and a Co XOXO clip with that wide band. So I'll go ahead and flip through it again really quick. I didn't want to make this too long, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I ended up doing with the kit. And again, this is a Foxy Fix B6, which is the number 5 in Black Beauty Lush. I love it so much. On my next setup, I'm probably going to do either in a coconut or possibly, I don't know, I'm thinking the coconut would probably be the best, but I really love the way that this turned out. I don't know what I'm using this planner for right now, but I do have like some it's not like really being used for like weekly type things. It's more like non-functional things that I don't normally keep around. And this is a compact, so it's 4 strings. But I just love it so much, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys. Again, I'm sorry it's kind of fast, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I did since I didn't film a setup. But I'm really hoping that with my next kit that I do a setup, and I'm going to try and have it up like around the time the kit goes up so you guys can kind of see what I do with it. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.